So what I've got here is the Zomake 35-liter lightweight, water-resistant, foldable backpack. This is great for traveling, folds up nice and small. You can throw it in your suitcase and just pull it out for the day when you need it. They do come in several different colors and patterns, so very handy that way. This one happens to be the black color. Nice thick nylon here. It looks like it's got the ripstop material on it. The zippers seem nice and strong, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'll pull it out here. I should also mention that this backpack weighs about 11 ounces or 320 grams. So starting out with the straps here, they are fairly thin, a little bit of padding on them. Again, the ripstop nylon here and some edging trim. And on the inside, they are a mesh type material. Now on here, you're gonna find a couple places where you can clip stuff on. You've got the chest strap here, just like that. This has actually a little whistle in it as well right there. And you can adjust these as well. There's little adjustments just like that you can tighten them down, your typical backpack adjustments. So again, I've got this backpack all loaded up here. It says Zomake Joy for Life. And again, that ripstop material everywhere here. Let's start on the sides. There's two mesh compartments here, great for beverages. You can throw a Gatorade or a Powerade in there, and those are on both sides. Now this pocket here, it says Field Conqueror 35 liters. This is actually the pouch where you fold it up into, so you kind of flip it inside out on itself. And this is quite large here as well. You can fit a lot of candy or different odds and ends that you might need in there. So nice big pouch right there. You've got some cinches here on either side. So these are just like that. You can unclip them and tighten down all your stuff. There is a pocket here at the top. So nice pocket here, big enough to hold kind of your sunglass case in there. And the zipper is quite strong on there. It's got a little flap there to help protect water from going in there. Nice strong zipper. And it does have a little tab on it there as well. And then you've got your main pocket here. Let me unsnap that and we'll open this up. So it's a double zipper, just like that, both directions. And it doesn't seem to be getting caught. That's good. So it doesn't seem to catch on itself. Really nice all the way around there. I did want to mention there is a handle here as well if you want to hang it up or just carry it by that. So nice and small there at the top. And in here I do have a large packing cube. So it holds quite a bit of stuff. It holds way more than what I have in here. So large packing cube. This actually has 2 pairs of jeans in it. So it holds quite a bit. And you can see there's quite a bit of space in there. So that's the main compartment. Then you've got this flap here. And on the back side of this, so against your back, you can fit a whole bunch more stuff in there. So I just happen to have my towel in here. This is a travel towel, but you can fit a whole ton of stuff there. And this is what it looks like on my wife. She's 5'11" and it holds all the stuff you might need for the day when you're traveling. And again, this is the Zomake Joy for Life 35 liter Field Conqueror packable backpack.